Let me show you something most TikTok creators still don't understand. Getting a million views isn't about luck, timing, or dancing better than everyone else. It's about momentum. And if you can control momentum, you can control your reach. I learned this the hard way. I kept posting videos I thought were great, clean edit, strong hook, trending sound, and the video just died at 120 views. I'd refresh the page like a maniac, hoping TikTok suddenly noticed me. Spoiler, it didn't. Then I realized something that completely changed the way my videos perform. TikTok doesn't reward the best videos. It rewards the videos that look like they're taking off. The algorithm scans your first few minutes like a lie detector. If your video gets early watch time and a believable wave of views, TikTok thinks, okay, people care about this, let's push it further. If the start is slow, even a brilliant video gets buried before it has a chance. That's why buying TikTok views, when done correctly, actually works. Not for clout, not for fake numbers, but to kickstart that early momentum TikTok is obsessed with. Here's the part that most people mess up. They think buying views means blasting their video with 50,000 fake impressions in one giant spike. That will absolutely get you limited or ignored. The trick isn't the number. The trick is making your video look alive. Small, steady, realistic early movement. That's all. Let me break down exactly how people safely buy TikTok views to trigger the algorithm and how it leads to real organic reach. First, timing. Don't buy the views the second you post. Give the video 5 to 10 minutes. Let TikTok collect a tiny baseline of genuine behavior, then support it with a boost. Second, keep the numbers believable. If your videos usually get around 1,000 views, pushing it to 3,000 or 4,000 looks natural. Jumping from 200 to 200,000 in 10 minutes looks like a siren going off inside TikTok headquarters. Third, delivery speed matters more than quantity. A smooth drip of views looks like a discovery. A spike looks like manipulation. Fourth, don't boost every single video. Pick the ones with real potential. Strong hooks, strong starts. You're not replacing organic reach, you're helping the algorithm find it. Now, people always ask me where to actually buy views without getting drops or weird spikes. I've tested everything. Cheap panels, resellers, premium, super organic whales, whatever the internet tries to sell you. Most look good for one order and fall apart after that. The only platform that consistently delivered stable, normal looking views that never damaged my reach is Likeman.com. I'm mentioning it once because the strategy matters more than the tool. But if you need a safe source, that's the one that I trust. Let me show you how this works in real life. I post a video, I wait a few minutes. If the hook holds viewers, I add a small boost. Nothing crazy, just enough to give TikTok a signal. The views start flowing naturally. TikTok sees a pattern that looks like early traction. Then the real push begins. The video starts getting shown to real people. Real watch time, real engagement, real discovery. Suddenly, the tiny boost I paid for is gone because now the video is climbing on its own. And here's the best part. Once you do this consistently, your entire account gets a trust bump. TikTok starts testing your videos more aggressively because your profile looks active, interesting, and healthy. This is why some creators suddenly go from 300 views to 300,000. It's not random, it's controlled momentum. If you've been stuck posting videos that only your dog sees, try this method once. You'll understand immediately why so many creators use it quietly while pretending it's purely organic magic. You're not cheating the algorithm, you're speaking its language. Because TikTok doesn't reward patience, it rewards signals. And when you give it the right ones, even small creators can trigger massive reach. So if hitting 1 million views feels impossible, trust me, it's not a talent issue, it's a momentum issue. Fix the momentum, and TikTok finally starts doing the heavy lifting for you.